Whenever you're ready.
Oh, you already recording?
Yeah.
Cool. So, my name is Will. I work for the service department over here at Maverick Harley-Davidson. I'm just going to hit you guys with our monthly promos for this month. We're doing 50% off tires. I want to say it's the best deal in DFW. I have not found another dealership that's able to beat it. A lot of times half that tire is more than my labor, and even though you're paying the labor, it's almost like you buy a tire and then we discount it and then you don't have to pay anything. Coming in the month, we do have Livewire. We are a Livewire dealership, so we are authorized to work on those if you purchase one. Obviously, we're a Harley-Davidson dealership. We can do all your services. Give me a call for any of your service needs and we'll get you taken care of. Call us at 972-245-1492. Later. Carl, turn the shit off, dude.